To make the Oreo ice cream, you will need the following ingredients: 400 ml medium fat fresh cream. I have used Amul cream, you can use any other cream as per your preference. Our next ingredient is the condensed milk. This is also known as the milk maid. Milk maid is usually used for making desserts. This is easily available at the nearby stores. I have used 250 ml of condensed milk. Next up is a special ingredient, Oreo biscuits. I have used one packet of Oreo biscuit. You all can use or add in more as per your requirement. And our final ingredient is the chocolate chips. I have used 1 tablespoon of them. Chocolate chips is completely optional. I have added it to get the flavor of chocolate in our ice cream. Now let's crush our Oreo biscuits. To do this, take a plastic zip pouch, add in the Oreo biscuits and crush them. Do not add all the biscuits. Keep a few aside which will be used as a top-up for the ice cream. Now let's zip the pouch and start crushing our biscuits. I am using a spatula to crush our Oreos. We don't want the biscuits to be in a powdered form. That is why I am using this technique. And yes, it's ready. Look at them, perfectly crushed. Now, transfer the crushed Oreos to a plate and keep it aside for now. I feel like eating them now itself. Wow. Let's make the ice cream mixture now. For that, take the fresh cream in a medium-sized bowl. Next, use a blender to whip the cream. Whip it for about 5 minutes. This is because during whipping, the fat molecules traps air bubbles and this doubles the quantity of a cream. Wow, look at our cream, it's thick, creamy and ready. Now guys, let's mix all the ingredients well. First, I'm adding the condensed milk. Just add all of it. Now I'll be adding the crushed Oreos. And finally, the chocolate chips. Mix all of it well. This is our ice cream mixture. Mix well until it gets to this consistency. Now, take an ice cream mold and pour the Oreo mixture into it. You can also use a plastic container to set the ice cream. Make sure you cover it with the butter paper before you freeze it. Now just flatten the top a little bit and add some crushed Oreos on it. Press them gently so that the Oreos stick to the cream and stay on the top. Looks amazing, right? Now let's cover the mold and freeze it for at least 8 hours. It needs at least 8 hours of time. It's been 8 hours. Let us now see how our Oreo ice cream looks. Mamma mia. It's ready and looks super delicious, isn't it? Now, let us transfer the ice cream to a serving bowl. Let us now top it up with some crushed Oreos and chocolate chips. Add some chocolate sauce over it. This is so tempting. I'm gonna have it as soon as I wrap up. Enjoy delicious and yummy Oreo ice cream. If you like this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Eat So What for more such yummy recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.